Hello friends, welcome to my study channel to learn Python. My name is Parul Sharma. A brief introduction about myself. I am a computer science teacher and I am teaching from last 8 years. मैं यहाँ आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ complete teaching package for class 11th and 12th computer science CBSE course 2020-21. ये वीडियो पैकेज बेसिकली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिन्हें कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग डिफ़िकल्ट लगती है, कोडिंग में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, थ्योरी में तो पास हो जाते हैं बट प्रैक्टिकल एंड प्रोग्रामिंग की टेक्निक्स एंड लॉजिक्स समझ नहीं पाते. सो आई विल शो यू द प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिकल ऑन लैपटॉप टू हाउ टू कोड एंड एक्सिक्यूट. मैं आपको प्रोग्रामिंग की टेक्निकलिटीज़ को ईजिली समझाऊंगी, प्रोग्रामिंग फियर आपके माइंड से रिमूव कर दूंगी. आपको रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करनी है. क्वेरीज, आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स कमेंट्स कर दीजिएगा. सो एंड आई विल रिजॉल्व ऑल योर इश्यूज. So students, let's begin with the syllabus of computer science of class 11th and 12th given by CBSE. So in the class 11th syllabus, the first chapter is computer system and organization. It is of 10 marks. In this chapter, you will basically learn about hardware, software concepts, logic gates, number systems like binary, decimal, formats, ASCII, Unicode, and basically programming language translation. So in the next chapter, computational thinking and programming, it is of 45 marks, and in this you will learn about how to design the algorithm, flowcharts, then pseudocode, then write program. So this chapter consists of 45 marks, the major part of the syllabus, and here you will learn about the programming concept, how to make Python programs. Third is society, law and ethics. So previously it was in class 12 syllabus, now it has been moved to the class 11 syllabus this year. So it is of 15 marks. In this it's a simple theory chapter. In this chapter you will learn while using internet you have to follow certain laws, content, copyrights, how laws violate, ethics which you must follow while using internet, and how content can be copyright, all about that. Now come to class 12th syllabus. The first chapter is all about what you have learned Python in your class 11th. That is all the Python revision tour, and it is of major part. It carries 40 marks. Then computer networks, it's a theory chapter. You will study about networking, all types of networking concepts. Then comes database management. So SQL has been removed from class 11 syllabus and it is in 12th syllabus. Previously it was also both in 11th and 12th syllabus. It is of 20 marks. So full for both 11th and 12th classes, the theory paper is of 70 marks, practical 30 marks, and total is of 100 marks. Okay. Students, let's see the major changes in the syllabus of class 12th computer science. First chapter, I have already told you, it's a Python revision tour, revision of class 11th. Then second chapter, functions, then file handling, using Python libraries, recursion, idea of efficiency, data structures. Then computer networks. So there are some changes, the topics have been removed and some have been added. Then SQL, it is almost same as last year. Okay, so SQL is same as last year. Then interface Python with SQL, it's basically the connectivity of Python, the front end with the back end. So you will understand the connectivity of Python with SQL. Now the chapters which has been excluded from your syllabus. First is data visualization, then society, law and ethics. I've already told you it has been added to class 11 syllabus, and then Django. Students, let's view the practical syllabus of class 11th and 12th. In class 11th, the first topic is of Python programs. That is your practical exams, which will be comprising 12 marks. Then is your practical file. Already 20 Python programs is given by the CBSE that you have to write in your practical file. It carries 7 marks. Then is your project. That project work you have to do. Then it is of 8 marks. Then your viva, when your final exam, you will be giving your practical exam. In this, the oral questioning, that is your viva, it is of 3 marks. Then total is of 30 marks. Then comes the class 12th. Then the Python programs, the practical exam is again 7 marks, and SQL commands is of 5 marks, basically the connectivity of Python and SQL, so it is of 5 marks. Then practical file which you have to submit, we are doing the SQL and both Python programs, it is of 7 marks. Projects which you have to do and submit, and record file also, it is of 8 marks. And Viva, that oral questions with your practical exam, it is of 3 marks, so total is of 30 marks. Students, now let's begin our Python journey. Let's come to Python overview and introduction. So Python language was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1989 and emphasizes on DRY, dry, means don't repeat yourself, principle and readability. It was named after Monty Python. So what is Python, why it is attractive, why we are learning Python, why it is a job oriented language, ये आपको बहुत अच्छा जॉब दिला सकती है, इसका बहुत अच्छा ब्राइट फ्यूचर है, दुनिया भर के ज़्यादातर बड़े बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स पाइथन को क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, why we are learning, why it is in your CBSE curriculum, why we want to understand Python. So attraction is, Python is very simple, Python is very easy, very simple language. So first thing, what is Python? Python is an object-oriented language. So the object-oriented concepts has a lot of depth. I will, if you don't know about it, मैं आपका एक अलग से वीडियो बना दूंगी about the object-oriented concepts. लेकिन अभी के लिए आप ये समझ लो कि object-oriented होता क्या है. Object-oriented concept means Python supports objects and classes concepts. Object and classes, encapsulation, abstractions, and number of concepts are there in it. So next, Python is an interpreted language. Interpreted, you must have understand, and you must have known about about interpreter and compiler concepts. So what is Python code is executed line by line at a time. There is no need to compile the Python code like C, C++, Java. This makes it is easier to debug. Next, Python is an integrated language. That means we can easily integrate Python with other languages like C, C++, Java and X standards code. Then Python is a high-level language. Python is a 5th generation high-level language. It follows English instruction which are very easy to code. Next, Python is dynamically typed. It means that the data type in float, long, double, string, whatever the data type is using for variable declaration is decided at runtime, not in advance. Because of this, we don't need to specify the type of a variable. We can declare the variable at runtime. Next, Python is free, easy and open source language. It's very, very important. Python is very simple and easy to learn, and it is a developer friendly language. Next, Python is freely available and source code is also available to the public. So we can freely download it and share it and use it. Now, why Python is attractive? Python supports cross-platform operating system. What do you mean by cross-platform operating system? सी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमारे पास पाइथन का कोड विंडोज़ के लिए हो और हम इस कोड को डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे रन कराना चाहते हैं, जैसे लाइनक्स है, यूनिक्स है, मैक है, देन वी कैन डू नॉट नीड टू चेंज इट. वी कैन रन पाइथन कोड ऑन एनी प्लेटफॉर्म. वी कैन रन पाइथन कोड ऑन एनी प्लेटफॉर्म वी वांट. So next, some of the globally known application which use Python to achieve their functionality. See students, कुछ बहुत popular globally used application हैं जो Python coding को use करती हैं to run their platforms. These big names are Google, YouTube, BitTorrent and Dropbox. So students, now comes to Python features. I've already told you Python is very, very easy to code. It's a free and open source language. Its code is openly available to public, and then its object oriented features, that it follows the concepts of classes and objects. Then comes GUI programming support. Python can be used to program desktop applications. It not only it supports the web designing and web application, it also supports desktop application. It provides the Pinter library that can be used to develop user interfaces. So you can GUI is graphic user interface. You can design GUI by using Python. Then I've already told you it's a high level language, 5th generation language. Its features are can be extended. It is highly portable. आप Python को किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, किसी भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे रन करा सकते हैं, एक्सिक्यूट करा सकते हैं. I've already told you it is an integrated language. It is interpreted. Python code line by line interpret किया जाता है. Then it has a very large standard library. When I will teach you the programming, I will and make you understand what is the standard library of Python. Then it is variable are dynamically typed. We can declare the variable at runtime, not in advance. Hope आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आएगा. पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नहीं पसंद आया, it's okay. Thank you friends.